Movoto app: the pros, the cons. Searching for your dream home? The Movoto app promises fast, accurate real estate listings, but is it the right choice for buyers and sellers? One of the biggest pros is comprehensive listings. Most people get this wrong by assuming all real estate apps show the same properties. Movoto aggregates data from all sources, providing detailed information including pricing trends, neighborhood statistics, and property history. Filters allow you to narrow down by price, size, amenities, and more, making house hunting efficient. The app also supports interactive maps and virtual tours, helping you visualize spaces without visiting in person. For sellers, Movoto offers marketing tools to reach potential buyers quickly, while buyers can save favorites, track price changes, and contact agents directly through the app. However, there are cons. Some users find that certain listings may be outdated or duplicated, creating confusion. In high-demand markets, availability can change faster than the app updates. While Movoto provides helpful data, it doesn't offer mortgage calculators or integrated financing guidance, which may require separate tools. In conclusion, the Movoto app is ideal for buyers and sellers seeking a user-friendly, data-rich platform to explore real estate. The surprising truth is that while it offers a wealth of listings and useful features, combining it with additional resources ensures a fully informed experience. For anyone serious about navigating today's competitive housing market, Movoto delivers speed, clarity, and convenience, but staying proactive and cross-checking listings maximizes success.